Your Mac Mini might have updated to the latest macOS, but if the screen starts flickering after the update, it can be frustrating and hard to use. This usually happens because of graphics driver issues, incompatible settings, or software glitches. Most users don't know why it happens or how easy it is to fix. In this video, I'll show you how to solve this flickering issue, so let's fix it right now. Before we start, try a different cable or a different monitor. Sometimes faulty HDMI, USB-C cables or adapters can worsen flickering. After that, try these solutions. Solution 1. Unplug and plug HDMI cable. First, unplug the HDMI cable from both the Mac Mini and the monitor. Then wait a few seconds. Then plug it back in, and make sure to plug in properly. Solution 2. Adjust display settings. Click on the Apple logo in the top right corner. Then click on the system settings. And after that, click on Displays from the right sidebar. Now make sure to select the refresh rate to lower, like from 120 Hz or 144 Hz down to 75 Hz. And also make sure the resolution is set to default. If you have the high dynamic range HDR option, then disable it if it's enabled. Solution 3. Check software update. Open up the settings, then tap General, next tap Software Update. If you see any updates available there, then install it. Hope it helps. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.